Pelicans. These quirky, comical, big-billed birds are usually thought of as spending all their time around coasts and harbors. They are widespread in Australia's lakes, rivers, billabongs, and estuaries, or other waterways with enough food for their fish-loving lifestyle. With the longest beak of any bird in the world and a wingspan that can reach 2.5 meters, these are very unusual looking birds, and some of them have a very unusual habit. They migrate, but not over oceans. Some migrate inland.